the weather turned out to be really nice. Going into today, it's kind of like, it's early on in the season, so I was just looking to put in a good time. You know, it didn't have to be a PR, but I was just going for it and see what I could do this time of the season. Yeah.
So we'll do a quick.
Are you happy with how the race played out for you?
Yeah, Margot got out really fast, so we had a good start. And then it just kept it fast up to about the 400. And we had talked earlier about like working together, so we get 1 and 2 in the race. So even though we're not usually teammates, North and Newton South, but it was fun to be teammates for today.
So talk about the atmosphere here, running in front of all these fans, lining the street, such a big stage.
I mean, it's really great. The amount that a crowd can help you in a race is just, you can't measure it. It's just amazing, and to have crowd support all the way around, you know, on the other side of the block when you're far away from the finish line is really important, and just having so many distractions and everything makes the race go by really fast.
Will you miss not being here next year, and you know, talk about being a part of this for the 3 years it's been in existence?
I mean, it's been like a huge part of my spring season. Like sophomore year, they started getting it going, and I was so honored to be invited. And like then junior year is like looking forward to it. I did cross country for the first time. Like the whole time I was like, oh well, joining cross and make me stronger for like indoor and outdoor, and like the race, and like it's so fun, and everything about this like presence and like atmosphere is just amazing. And I'm definitely gonna miss it a lot. Maybe I'll come back and run the 5K next year.